A small business reduced daily task time by 2 hours using Zapier and ChatGPT, costing under $30 a month. First, open ChatGPT and set up custom instructions. This tells ChatGPT about your business, ensuring consistent, on-brand responses. ChatGPT Plus costs $20 a month. Paste your core business description into "What would you like ChatGPT to know?" This saves significant editing time. Next, we prepare our data. Now, create a Google Sheet for your workflow data. Sheets act as a flexible database, triggering automations or storing AI outputs. Google Workspace Business Starter costs $6 per user monthly. Name your columns clearly for easy data mapping. We'll use this sheet for both inputs and outputs. Next, build your first automation using Zapier. Choose a trigger like a new row in Google Sheets. Zapier's starter plan begins at $19.99 per month for 750 tasks. Select an action, such as sending data to ChatGPT. This connects your data source to AI quickly. For more complex visual workflows, explore Make.com. Drag and drop modules to build intricate scenarios. Make's core plan starts at $9 a month for 10,000 operations. Configure conditional logic in multiple paths. This offers greater control over your AI process. Finally, integrate ChatGPT into your chosen workflow tool. Add ChatGPT as an action step. The GPT-4o model costs $2.50 per million input tokens, according to multiple sources from early to mid-2026. Type a specific prompt, defining role, context, task, and format. This directs the AI precisely for optimal output. You've learned to build an AI workflow from setup to integration. Now explore advanced prompt engineering in our next video.